The question of law in respect of profit and loss expenses were also proposed by the department in some of the references but have not been pressed, and therefore, we need not consider or answer the same. Full stop. As noted above, we will be answering question of law which have been proposed for our consideration. Full stop. The claim regarding admissibility of bad debts or non-performing loans as expense was and continues to be restricted to such loans which become irrecoverable. Full stop. The assessee cannot claim adjustment of the loan as an expense unless it has become irrecoverable. Full stop. The question of whether bad debts have become irrecoverable involves objective and factual determination, if it is a secured loan, then it cannot be treated as irrecoverable under the Ordinance of 2001. Full stop. The arguments advanced by the learned counsel who have appeared on behalf of the banks may be summarized as the question regarding taxation of interest on securities, that is, on accrual or receipt basis, stands settled in the light of the judgment of the August Supreme Court. Full stop. A person is not entitled to claim interest in respect of any period which has lapsed after the earliest date on which demand could have been made for the payment from the date when the interest is actually received. Full stop. Mere recording of receipts or expenses in the financial statement is not by itself sufficient to make such receipts or expenses chargeable to tax. Full stop. It is noted that the international financial reporting standards are based on accrual based accounting. Full stop. The banks prepare and publish their accounts on accrual basis. Full stop.